Hi, my name is Khairiah binti Muhammad Kamel.
Hi, my name is Nur Aina Fatah binti Muhammad Farid.
I am Fatima Sumaya.
Hello, my name is Nur Alia Natasha binti Abdul Razak.
My name is Auni Nuri Sofia binti Nordin.
My name is Nur Alia binti Rosdi.
Founded in 1906, Xerox Corporation has established itself as a global leader in document technology and services. With a rich history of innovation, Xerox has continuously transformed the way businesses manage their documents and workflows. From the invention of modern photocopier to pioneering advancement in digital printing and document management solutions, Xerox has remained at the forefront of technological innovation for over a century. Today, the company continues to drive innovation in areas such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing and sustainability, empowering businesses to work smarter and more efficiently. With a commitment to customer satisfaction and relentless pursuit of excellence, Xerox remained a trusted partner for organizations worldwide, delivering cutting-edge solutions that enable them to thrive in an ever-changing digital landscape.
How can the CEO of Xerox use the Pastel analysis to explore the external factors of its business? Pastel has 6 factors, which are political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental. Starting with political factors, Xerox should analyze the government policies. This is to ensure that they are more aware of the changes in regulations such as data protection laws or environmental regulations which can impact Xerox's operations. Tax policies should also be taken seriously because changes in corporate tax rates can directly affect Xerox's profitability. For instance, if the US government decides to increase corporate tax rate, Xerox could experience a decrease in its net income, providing less capital for reinvestment. Next is social factors. The CEO of Xerox can explore social factors by identifying demographic changes. This is because aging populations might change the demand for certain products or services. Besides that, buying trends and lifestyle choices also gives an impact in social factors. For example, where or what they are using it for, because all people live in different lifestyles. Now, moving on to environmental factors. Xerox should recognize climate change and the physical impacts that should affect Xerox's operations. The CEO of Xerox can consider adopting sustainable practices and prepare for climate-related impacts. By doing this, it will not only enhance Xerox's reputation but also increase long-term operational viability.
The CEO of Xerox can explore the external factors in the legal, technological, and economic categories using Pastel analysis. First is legal factors, intellectual property laws. Xerox operates in a highly competitive and innovation-driven industry. Ensuring strong intellectual property protection is critical to safeguard its patents and proprietary technologies. Next is employment laws. Different countries have different labor laws. Compliance with these laws is crucial to ensure smooth operations. Next is regulatory changes. Ongoing changes in laws can impact Xerox operations. Staying ahead of these changes help avoid potential fines and adapt to new standards. Next factors is technological factors, innovation and R&D. Rapid investment in technology requires continuous investment. Xerox must keep innovating to maintain its competitive edge and meet evolving customer needs. Next is cybersecurity. As a technology company, Xerox must prioritize cybersecurity. Implementing robust cybersecurity measures is essential to avoid costly breaches. Last but not least is economic factors. Firstly is global economic conditions. The overall health of global economy affects Xerox business. Economic downturns can lead to reduced spending by business and consumers, impacting sales and revenue. Next is currency exchange rates. Fluctuations in currency exchange rates can affect Xerox's profitability, especially since it operates in multiple countries. Effective currency risk management strategies are necessary to mitigate adverse impact.
Understanding how big companies like Xerox navigate the complex landscape of technological change is crucial for staying competitive in today's rapidly evolving markets. Through strategic utilization of technology forecasting model, companies like Xerox can proactively anticipate future trends, manage risk, allocate resources effectively, and remain agile in an even-changing business environment. Let's dive deeper into how this process works and what we can conclude from all to the process. First of all, Xerox likely use a combination of historical data analysis, market trends, customer demand patterns, and input from various departments to create short-term and mid-term forecasts. Short-term forecasts might focus on immediate sales projection, while mid-term forecasts could involve factors like product development timelines and market shift over the next several quarters or years. They probably employ statistical models and forecasting software to aid in the process. Secondly, Xerox likely identify environmental variables in the technology environment, such as R&D expenditure focus, through a combination of internal analysis and external market research. Internally, they would track their own R&D spending patterns, project timelines, and outcomes. Externally, they would monitor industry trends, competitor R&D activities, and broader technological investment. Additionally, they might engage with industry experts, attend conferences, and leverage partnerships to stay informed about emerging technologies and shift in R&D priorities within their sector. This holistic approach allows Xerox to understand the technology landscape and make strategic decisions regarding their own R&D investment and innovation priorities. Thirdly, Xerox select their data sources for quantitative data and qualitative data. For quantitative data, Xerox will first consider internal sources such as sales data, financial record, customer transaction data, and operational metrics. The sources provide detailed, structured data directly related to Xerox business activities. Next, for the qualitative data, Xerox may conduct observational studies to observe and document user behavior, market trends, and competitive dynamics. These studies provide first-hand qualitative insight into real-world interaction and experience.
Next, Xerox practicing employ forecasting technique. For instance, exploratory and normative. In exploratory, Xerox develops scenario planning that is defined as a critical technique to envision different future environments and their potential impacts on the company. By developing multiple scenarios, Xerox can prepare for a range of possible features and devise strategic responses. Meanwhile, in normative, Xerox applies the morphological analysis as a technique to analyze various factors such as technological advancement, market trends, customer preferences, and economic conditions. By systematically exploring different combinations of these factors, Xerox can anticipate potential future developments and their impacts on the demand for their products and services. This approach allows Xerox to develop robust strategies and contingency plans to adapt to changing market conditions effectively. Furthermore, Xerox uses application to integrate results as the plan for the creation. For example, Xerox uses advancement sales forecasting software to analyze historical sales data and market trends. Tools like Salesforce and SAP Sales Cloud help predict future demand, enabling Xerox to prioritize technology developments that meet anticipated market needs. Last but not least, Xerox do undertake reviews. Xerox conducts regular surveys and collects feedback from customers to gauge satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. This feedback is crucial for making data-driven decisions about product enhancement and new developments. Moreover, Xerox employs a systematic approach to compare actual results with forecasts, ensuring alignment with strategic goals and continuous improvement.
Next, I would like to explain about product's life cycle for Xerox company. First thing first, they go through the product development stage. Xerox begins by identifying market needs and technological trends, but particularly, they were focusing on requirements of the modern hybrid workplace. This involves analyzing customer feedback, economic conditions, and emerging technologies for potential product development. Then, Xerox leveraged its historic strength in research and development. This stage involves creating prototypes, integrating advanced technologies such as AI to ensure the design meets both current and future customer needs. Furthermore, for the development, once a concept is designed, they make the moves on testing. These include testing cycles to ensure reliability and effectiveness before market releases. In the introduction stage of the product life cycle for Xerox, the company focuses on several key activities to ensure the successful launch and adoption of new products. Xerox makes its extensive research and development capabilities. This involves developing prototypes and conducting thorough testing to ensure quality and reliability. At this stage, Xerox begins limited production runs to ensure that any issues can be identified and resolved before a full-scale launch. This careful approach helps manage costs and maintain high-quality standards. On the other hand, Xerox conducts detailed market research to identify target audience and understand their needs. This involves analyzing customer feedback, market trends, and competitive products. As for the segmentation, the company segments the market to target their specific customer groups and position its new products to meet the unique needs of these segments. This strategic targeting helps in creating tailored marketing messages that resonate with potential customers. And lastly, they provide a customer support and feedback. Xerox ensures robust customer support through its technical assistant, maintenance services, and customer care teams. Providing excellent support helps in resolving any initial issues and builds customer loyalty. The company actively collects and analyzes customer feedback to make necessary improvements and updates to the product. This continuous improvement process is crucial for refining the product based on real-world usage and experiences. So by focusing on these activities during the introduction stage, Xerox aims to establish a strong market presence, build customer trust, and set the foundation of future growth and success in the product lifecycle.
During the growth stage of product lifecycle, Xerox photocopier machine has been introduced to the people. There are also rapid growth happen in demand. Therefore, they have to continue the production process of new photocopier models. This has also helped in increasing their company demand and revenue. Next stage is maturity stage. In maturity stage, sales tend to slow because there is high market penetration. Then, there are increase in competition because on that time, other companies like HP and Canon enter the market. Due to this issue, Xerox company expand their production into digital printing and document management. This has helped Xerox company gain profit stabilization. The last stage of product lifecycle is decline stage. In decline stage, there is reduce of demand for their traditional photocopier due to the digital transformation that has happened. Xerox company sales and profit tend to fall down. Therefore, Xerox company must focus on new strategy, creating new technology to adapt in the new market reality.